Hey viewers, today we are going to learn about the similarity. In the previous lesson we similar the angles. Now in this video we find out the similarity between the sides. And how we side? Because triangle ABC is similar to PQR. The color show that A corresponds to P, B corresponds to Q and C corresponds to R. In this way, if there are two unknowns X and Y, so first we know that our AB is 10 centimeter. AB divided by AB corresponds to PQ. So what is PQ? 6 PQ. So AB is 10 centimeter and PQ is 6. Both sides are known and AB corresponds to PQ. So AB divided by PQ, and now other side will take BC. If we take BC, then it is QR. BC is equal to QR. So BC is equal to 12 centimeter and QR is X centimeter, which is unknown. One thing remember, when you take the bigger on the numerator, the other same similar sides or line segment is on the numerator. If you take the smaller ones on numerator, then you take the smaller ones on the other side of the equality on the numerator. So always take the bigger on the top and the smaller on the left. If you take the smaller on the top, then the smaller he on the other side of the equality. So in this way we find out 12 by X. 12 is our BC. We can say this is BC and divided by QR. So now according to the equation we solve it. 10x is equal to 12 into 6. 10x is equal to 72 and x is equal to 72 divided by 10, and in this way we find it 7.2. X is 7.2. Now the second unknown is Y. So PR is equal to AC. So we write again AB by PQ because both are unknown, and now PRAC. Now AB के similarity के according AC is on the upper side and PR is in denominator. AB is 10, PQ is C and AC is 18 and this one is PR is Y centimeter. Now we cross multiply it. 10Y is equal to 18 into 6. 18 into 6 is 108 and 10Y. Now Y is equal to 10.8. In this question part D, here are also two unknown. One is in this triangle and one unknown Y is in this triangle. So we solve first one unknown. If I write AC is X centimeter. What is equal to AC? A and C, P and R. We know P and R and P and R is the same. So it means X divided by 8 equal to AB 12 centimeter and PQ. QP or PQ is the same, is 10 centimeter. Now we cross multiply it. It is 10x and 12 8s are 12 into 8, 96. 10x is equal to 96 and x is equal to 96 divided by 10, 9.6. And in the same way, now for y centimeter, 7 by y. The second is 7 by y. How 7 by y? BC. BC equal to QR. BC equal to QR. So BC equal to QR. 7 by y. In the same way, you can write AB is 12 and this is 10 and cross multiply it. Now it is, you can write it 12y is equal to 7 into 10. 70 equal to 12y. And now according to this, y is equal to 70 by 12. Now we simplify it and then divide it. 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 35 by 6. And it is, when we solve it, 6 5s are 30, 0.50 is again 6 4s are 6 8s are 48 and 0.2 and 2 is again come, and the y is 5.82. Thank you.